You see, history ever remember some politicians or leaders of this country called Ghana when it comes to electricity and I say energy generation. Ever remember almost very well. Ever bo ma baso nchirima ebe bo mu di esra omo. Some of our leaders so nchirima be bo mu din se bi atintesu egu fom. Leaders ne mu dia ye be shira omo ne mu dia yin na eno so ye be bo mu dia yi. Ese sabo bia be di aduane a eya enye ya se Kweku Annan sa hia sekan. Ghana ni bia wo ho kwan kra se nka ni Ghana edumu a se bi obowa ana odi atemu a na nye nipa NPP ni. So NPP ni na so kanya bo nani na se bi ubo ani prekra na me betua woka. Adentia. Because they have no history when it comes to energy generation. They have no good history. They don't have it. 1964 ano Saje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah esi Akosombo Dam. Sabre omuka chese na Ghana population ni enwome. Ghana population almost about 5 million. NPP omona nanom Eko World Bank eka say Ghana kitwa we na kosi Akosombo Dam kakraka we ya de energy ni ya de beboro so nti sa excess energy capacity no politics na NPP ya nene. If you Kwame Nkrumah person omona nanom omuna di ka criticize Kwame Nkrumah ta Akosombo Dam no sini kra no eso sene Ghana ehu hia anso wa omukoya ko World Bank say man ma Kwame Nkrumah sika o say no that's their history. The same thing happened Kwame Nkrumah si Tamamoto way almost say cement. These same people Kwame Nkrumah si moto because Kwame Nkrumah was a visionary. No one say Ghana population ni enkoso anya 5 million ebenyini into si ni kese. Omutu Kwame Nkrumah ba before Kwame Nkrumah tu na ba no. Kwame Nkrumah sa mo koye visibility study e wo bui. Wo dey contract e dey ma Russian company ama engineers ne do omunya ama kogu site anko mo hyase aye bui. Omutu Kwame Nkrumah ba gu ya na NPP wo mu nanamu omuko wi asa na ama ni nyina. Etike entu Kwame Nkrumah ba ye nwa ka Kwame Nkrumah asibui. This is NPP's history. They will not build, but they will make sure say they will even sabotage you. So basically they will sabotage you. And nonchain abaya hodwe buy from Kwame Nkrumah soja buy Akufo Addo papa ba ye president. NPP for say JB Dankwa omu friend say Buzia omu si Buzia ni nyansa enti Buzia wu ye kra no abrofo no be fa na dwen eko testing say na dwen ti say because wo ni nyansa Buzia ni nyansa nyina wanfa 1 kilowatt anka national grid ho Akufo Addo papa wanfa 1 kilowatt anfa anka national grid ho ebaya ba beto Rollins buy no so okay die Kwame Nkrumah ye ni ano no so kofa thermal plant de buy ti Kwame Nkrumah na Rollins introduce aboaze thermal plant okay ene e sha afi ye generate ye nkonko ye hydro nko a the Rollins ye no Kofo ba ye wo se woto aso no eno ye se wo manage. NPP has always managed Ghana's energy situation. They have never attempted say let's fix it, this is the problem. No, because NPP mentality omo de babam bia omo mentality say enye ye ne be ye Ghana ye tienete ye NPP one of their ideologies and their mentality whenever they are in power say enye ye ne be ye Ghana ye into ono ba problem or how on solve it or manage party first. That's their mentality. Enti Kufo ba ya wosen ko no so toaso no wan toaso enadum so sha asese eba Kufo be so anu a na akofa toy generators rekubrobe MPP Kufo appointee ono na describe generators ne say toy generators ena Kufo kofa de baaye anya ye afero si Akosombo asofo mo nkona mo nkobọ mpaye Daily Graphic Ghanaian Times de bia mo reporting kire Ghana for Akosombo level enti se nkane na ma enyame enyame na ntonsuo nsuo na awe nyame na ntonsuo Kufo kire so no ye bisa Akufo tabe Kufo ma me ano kasa ma Akufo MPP aban na omo friend bi no e de oboshi sai kofi ye bisa ne say mo the timetable abadum so no be end da be o 31st September data any record any calendar data any calendar obocha kofi catcher say dumso be end 31st September. You saw trophy no see me dancing in Wabrochiri because no one say they have no plans. They were just doing PR. The bisa no see 31st September. Chira me free say Nyankopon bo wi ase besi ne ye wo date 31st September.
September
was yes was 31st September. Enti ye gu so aye twen say that 31st September ebeba na yes ovidum so. Ebe nso no ebeka afia makofu afira ba mu no say afi do okobui. Ano kofa Ghana ye koko 150,000 metric tons edikosi awa wo China. So the G loan e de asibui. Okache se bui be ma 400 megawatts. Wanya no even 30%. Professor Mills any be wie. And the bui ma 250 megawatts. And a Professor Mills be so mu. Uje Mahama tena so no say no. Problem na wo ho ne yeso so population grow na e grow. Enti ya wose a confront a challenge no near fixing once and for all. And Mahama Jina Parliament catcher say this energy crisis I will not manage it, I will fix it. One fan no sa keke. Omobe catcher says we see Hydra. It will take you no less than 4 years. Even a year okay, time I cry. It takes years. Mahama si die ne be ye yetimi aso ano ye call Turkey. Eko fa car pa edibai. At the same time or their Mary ebai. Sankofa any snake or ma even son and asogli.
Yeah.
Or momo expand or capacity. And before Mahama free abemu 2017 na wa double Ghana energy generation capacity no wa double no. Na Mahama vision say yenya kran we should get generation capacity of not less than 5,400 megawatt. Na ya exported the baburo so non call neighboring countries. Enti edubra Ghana population na egura here demand na ni age ade. At the same time na invest. Enti na Mahama plan to recover the economy from a year 2014 a year century consensus no. Na e kan say be export electricity. Edia neighboring countries, Togo, Nigeria, Burkina Faso, Cote d'Ivoire, all of them no pay electricity. And think about near their $, near their stabilize the economy. Mohammed's visions was that. Ofra Bamu Akufo Addo Yabuta Ebaye Yabuta Baya was say Ghana population kakre ya kwa generation capacity over 2,400 the other excess energy capacity. Want some people can say excess.
Yes.
So excess abroso. Excess is near exported the Kojo Kyeremanteng. Akufo Addo nankasere ntum excess near exported the Kojo Kyeremanteng yet or say abroso. So for 8 good years Akufo Addo ni NPP anti ni anye investment bi say Ghana ye expanded your generation capacity. We no abeka cho so no adwen wo man ho for 8 good years wanya hwe 2015 ena can I say company is it energy or my certified energy commission omo de betu dwa say I was say afibia Ghana ye increase your generation capacity no less than 250 megawatt because population will grow. And now the chain opa obeko site ya say ne estate developer say na meto ansase after 1 year obeko na nkrofo mu dan go nyina obi ehia electricity enti aban bia ba ya wa say this way investment 8 years of Akufo Addo and then we hwe was generators enumpo went to me anye transformers enumpo went to me
omatimi afa power bia afa national grid no
anka o se me boa mo konko bisa jo amewu Akufo Addo the first minister of energy John amewu. First 4 years of Akufo Addo Bisani say we buy how many capacity generation capacity now they account was we haven't added any megawatt ampanapoma they say we ni watch me Mahama and a car power by true of us and Mary no the buy Sankofa any and car can no the buy Akufo Addo 8 years term the Akufo Addo the buy
but I'm a say one month Fabia
a line party more political party Akufo Addo ni NPP record na post we energy minister ubisa no enkane ho asem a no apagya ne hwena hwewiem na wadi watem NAPO ni record no otumfo ate kokoso na Asante wonu ankasa ne ba wo so wonu ana tete NAPO penso edundum otumfo nka ne ama ne TV nyina sei otumfo ate kokoso be kan say we de me ankasa me ba me nana matete wo wana ye energy minister nanso so nka ne adundum ti me TV nyina sei otumfo ne ka ye nyame
kasa ne nkwan a si fridge mpo
asai
ne nkwan
NAPO do de be ye de abu Asante me che say Asante ni say Ameri no a Mahama kofa de ba ya NPP opposition omo se eye krono ento omo ba mbe nhwehwemu no omo ba ya Akufo Addo te a 30-member committee led by Philip Addison so omo nko investigate Ameri na price no omo nte so omo ko Dubai kwa investigation nipa 13 no Ameri no omo kwa investigate no oneti omo ticket omo hotel accommodation allowances Ameri na de ma omo ede misata ewu yede na to mpam Accra International Conference Center Ghana fo nyina to sante a yetwa adwo no na NPP mrahye Bediatuo wi omo akwahye parliament edo mo say kwahye asia America na $510 million na omo say eye krono no omo akotum dia free $510 million e dia call 1.2 billion Ghana cedis ena to 40 ete ye no say no ye yanto omo ho anom ko gina mu ye ko wi asia Boakye Agyarko konfutatwa amoa eno so we national chamber NPP mu ye busa no a was it then
the president was
Akufo Addo say I was misled. Oh yeah, that damn me. NPP record no. NAPO record as a energy minister. Sa yensi sa enfidie no a Ameri no. Emfa free takrade. Ni emfa nko Kumasi. The record no. What the cause went me answer we. Went me fix away. 8 years of NPP, they couldn't do anything about the energy generation capacity.
Price now, transportation fee now more than $30 million. It's more than
yes.
Transportation fee now from Turkey to Ghana.
Yes. Nemusa se man share him fee cry kasi 2 man share him fee every Kumasi e dia kose bi o wa e be kose da macha $30 million. NAPO records now.
From Turkey to Ghana were about 2.5 million. No? From Kumasi, Takrady to
Kumasi, and that's how much.
$30 million. Transportation.
That's how much it costs Ghana. NPP didn't do anything. Even independent power producers. Every day, no more issue threaten. Or at some time, we shut down some of their plans because I bind Omoka. And the NPP phone him say. They will almost mismanage the energy sector no and ya they say abambi obabe to myself to beka NDC by and so you better back to do so because they knew what they have done. But it took a very young man as a minister, John Jinapo. He was the deputy minister, President Mahama, Minister of Power. Onumunya for Kwabena Donko and minister and Jinapo and deputy. And a Kwabena Donko when she said the over witness and Okoshebo and I went to many in Bosch and soon or resign. I'm a John Jinapo as a young man, a so ministry. John Jinapo as a minister on the ND doom so before 2016. People Sabako say mess after 8 years. The same John Jinapo and Asabe take it over. And go and to manage the energy sector. Yanko doom so from 2025 NPP before one. Now problem by a go and survey. Excellent. Now oko eye Jubilee House. Eko address Ghana no. Sadara na juna Kwaku Sumbu. Ofri oba government yes accountability you must Kwaku Sumbu. Ofri akosombo ba ne tai koba pa nyame nko wi.
Ni nyina ombi.
Ewum. Wa asime bu anu musa no. Anamu musa omo omne ko ene driver na car onu akasa team. Passenger side baby onu akasa tie ne tai pa ye anajo no. Because no so sako ekodi djuma. She problem ba e say 1200 megawatt akosombo. Ya sorry that could boom ni nyina ahwere yen. But matime gina mo na so less than 1 week I restore 4 out of 6. Yeah. John Jinapo. Now ono NPP no only record when it come to energy generation. Now onu mom na no odin catch the Ghana for say Dumsa Naba Namunsi Aban who 8 years a day na we ye di jaye. Anything I make us say history. Kwame Nkrumah abako sembe kaino. Rollins abako sembe kaino. Mahama abako sembe kaino. The youngest energy minister John Abujinapo abako sembe kaino. Bomo maka eye baller. Na area yesi se abata ofia eya emusade ne beja ne nan. Onsa na anu yakoso mboja to mu. Obia abamu ni pa bia ne o ka se we di NPP fo ni mu bi. NPP fo no han ya no mbeka se sabotage. Omo beka because say mu anyina na kwa didi e ko nhia mu. Omo wie na omo so Japan na wa ho ota na be sesa nkunya Kwaku obi amoni din Kwaku muna adan a osi nkunya na dos dodo yesi akoso mba hye yenka se ye wa yenka so na kwhye no NPP sere wa munakum because abakosma me hu say omo na 2015 2016 2013 2014 let my vote count for eye demonstration say ye mo kwan no mo hye transformers indeed ye hye transformers 2012 professor Mills wu a ye na yi mahama so okwa akoda na nam ahemfo ase Owusu ya thank you to yenka bi hyemu ye se ship akwa akobo eye West Africa gas pipeline the gas ba me the power ye thermal plant ebesi ne ye dadwene ho a ye ante ase da se ya de ye da ship amomu da time e be call election 2012 3-4 months to elections yes gas na pipe because no pen na supply gas eye kan senkania etimehie and NPP enti we ba ya koso mo blast ye no obi anfansha mo bo man kasa tibua
me da ase Sammy
ene ebu o mo fo
me da ase Samuel Hunto media liaison officer to the agric minister yanko lawyer home power crisis yi honsem the abino etimi aye so far the minority ebusoka then I can there
oh menya say menya Hunto aka bebre na nia me kan force on say on say yeah, the transformers over 2,500 transformers.
Yes.
Mami Chow send a process of generating of electricity. Yeah, generation, VRA.
Yes.
Independent power suppliers and bui power. No generate. No more generate here. No more dama booster ana station transformer ebe. Lodi we no no mu lodi sa no mu de ama gridco na gridco na no mu ase omo ye omo manage distributing lines no
okay
no mu gia no mu de ama ECG na ECG ewo ho for southern Ghana and ewo netco for northern Ghana and ewo bakubia they are for the industrial suppliers no
okay
no momo gia na almost supply ma households and go through transformers transformers no what it does in say some of the power na say area be or a be higher air to the higher transformer or say mu enye dru na intimi supply or hono transformer be on so a controlling supply system no hono
okay
anti force excuse several years transformers be a diverse 25 years 20 years 10 years but transformers so you see at least at most by 8 years 10 years or so yes anti MPP for better now so 8 years almost is a transformers what does it anti because demand increasing into no it is putting a lot of pressure on old transformers you know and no na ma we na trippy wow sometimes low current in sanya it happens born power na for fridge gra and you use fridge guard anywhere to me affect systems you know until hona energy minister John Jinapo boni dey no me mate
okay
MBA our Legon
okay
the year 2008
okay
and he's a very vibrant young man even though he's my junior brother born him modern pa anti almost the be you say I was say transformers you know so that ebenya transformers kesia ebe boost supply system anyway anti say power na eba anya say you need supply power no ho but the supply system na ebe fa transformer a distributor ma obi anye bi no eno ni problem no eno eyi na energy minister you see we have brought about 2,500 plus yeah, this is our old ones no what they are doing in say baby e be here higher e be say 30 kVA no mo they are call no more to small one they are call areas e be here smaller e those are the things they are doing now MPP fear ben no mo deka they were owing
MPP fear ben now the energy sector na ka home
billions of Ghana cedis and they are buying because NASA Esla we no discount ako yes and here buy no and I say no we need to pay those monies so they've paid all arrest now but and then say no before month never end no all power supplies no na etu you see
okay
and say cause energy sector in Ghana now it is being managed properly to the extent say challenges are facing and yet the generation problem.
Okay.
It is a distribution problem.
Okay.
Generation problem is like here 200 megawatts. Now we are generating only 180, but that's not the situation. We are generating more than in here. But so we generate also we then we supply.
Okay.
I say we here duane for party. Duane is suitable so na say nya plates. And to me 7 microphone say accommodate the people. And that's what is happening. The food is there. But we need to serve the empty plates anyway to serve the people. And that is what is happening. And we are fixing it. And for me, I don't need to add, but then I want to assure Ghanaians before the end of this year, all power problems will be fixed. Now, you know, Doom soba bisa na po si Doom CSC. Menti sa de ni bida. Doom so omo na mo de ba e. Na mo so omo de bia ba Doom CSC. Wow. Look, NPP some microphone they are very wicked. You see, we talk as so nobody blamed the NPP say omo na mo ko so eja see sa akosombo hono. But they themselves apprehension. Na eni o mai mu a Akufo Addo fi ade so na omo ko she obi ko she yet say yakoshe Ministry of Foreign Ministry. They see that ministry is there because you see diplomatic passports be ira no maybe you say obi somebody is going to be held culpable and so be there now I think 3 days ago and I see court be you see district court is Kumasi I've forgotten the place court docket in the Drebe
down
one of the
and before now anytime market comes. We were in this country where MPP went and brought dead bodies. Petty places, women. So for them, MPP planting bomb for Kwame Nkrumah, students, small girl. Yeah, the bomb they do not have tsunami court. They do not have pity for that small girl because they want to kill Kwame Nkrumah. Almost the bomb planted to flowers. And my small girl.
That's a lawyer braiding tea.
MPP Senka Ghana for a bit here. No money MPP should never come to power. Why?
David Warwi Brown, a senior lecturer at Accra Technical University. We say I told you made in the amount. My main car saw China the 1st of May, Medimosis Clinic and Process Center. War year free hair screening the amount free. You're able to say prostate health, fibroid.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.